Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read the sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. Say all nations are 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page on this regard, that I'm providing very crucial, very important civil justice sign up for myself, and it's also a multitasking is the wisdom. With that said, I'll quickly read through the civil justice sign off, and this is all about the Facebook credit card, Facebook debit card, Facebook gift card tax fraud crime. And I don't know whether the Facebook have any or all of these products, but still I'm aware, on the highest level they might be having any or all of these products, line of business products. So that's why I've just included it. But bottom line, Facebook also provided tax fraud crime, and that is the deadliest crime Facebook provided, and that is what this session is all about. That said, I will quickly read through the civil justice to be on the same page. The quarter first of 2021 is January 2021, February 2021, March 2021. Deadliest crime, at fault found guilty, Republican government and Democrat of USA and absolute monarchs, Antichrist, Queen Elizabeth II, and Pope Francis created Facebook credit card, Facebook debit card, Facebook gift card, tax fraud, crime worldwide. So the Antichrist Pope Francis created Facebook credit card, Facebook debit card, Facebook gift card, tax fraud crime is proved by I, Vedapriya Prose. Antichrist Queen Elizabeth II created Facebook credit card, Facebook debit card, Facebook gift card, tax fraud crime is proved by I, Vedapriya Prose. For I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis' Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021. Any salary, as in tax-free billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective, immediate, using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am, Vedapriya Prose, Native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide, can help me. And the scandal phases of Republican Europe nations worldwide, Republica at fault found guilty, prostitutes of Europe, USA, tax fraud, March of 2021 is proved. So at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, Facebook credit card, Facebook debit card, Facebook gift card, tax fraud crime, provided tax fraud is crime is proved by I, Vedapriya Prose. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, use the Republican government, provided tax fraud is crime is proved by I, Vedapriya Prose. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, use the Democrat government, provided tax fraud is crime is proved by I, Vedapriya Prose. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, Queen Elizabeth II, provided tax fraud is crime is proved by I, Vedapriya Prose. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, Pope Francis, provided tax fraud is crime is proved by I, Vedapriya Prose. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, GOP Mitch McConnell, provided tax fraud is crime is proved by I, Vedapriya Prose. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, President Trump 2016 to 2020 and President Joe Biden 2020 to 2024, provided tax fraud is crime is proved by I, Vedapriya Prose. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh, provided tax fraud is crime is proved by I, Vedapriya Prose. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, Roman Province Jesuits, Organizations of State of Wisconsin, State of Michigan, State of Illinois, State of New York, State of New England, State of Maryland, State of Louisiana, State of Missouri, State of California, State of Oregon, provided tax fraud is crime is proved by I, Vedapriya Prose. Note, Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis and Facebook credit card, Facebook gift card, Facebook debit card tax fraud, created robocall poverty mandate, enforced poverty disability to I, Vedapriya Prose on October 2018 is proved for prostitute Republican government of USA to steal the rightful Supreme Court judge job of USA on October 2018. That rightful belonged to I, Vedapriya Prose. Civil law must be provided now without delay. I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil Supreme Judge, owned the text for ongoing civil justice sign-off. At fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government and USA Democrat government, as in Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis, and Facebook credit card, Facebook debit card, Facebook gift card tax fraud, created robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, and true civil Supreme Judge and Republican government, GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly and enforced finance debt of $10,000+ since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of first quarter of 2021 is January 2021, February 2021, March 2021 to I, Vedapriya Prose, enforced finance disability to I, Vedapriya Prose abruptly. It is crime for at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, use the Republican government and use the Democrat government and Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis and Facebook credit card, Facebook debit card, Facebook gift card tax fraud, crime created robocall poverty mandate is proved, and so civil justice is I, Vedapriya Prose, one Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,000+ and sign off tax free $5,000 and at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government and USA Democrat government, Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis and Facebook credit card, Facebook debit card, Facebook gift card tax fraud, crime created robocall poverty mandate with fatal negligence, so must sign off tax free $1,500,000 trillion to be direct deposited in my bank account for all types of damages done by selfish, cunning, Islam, Judaism, and absolute monarchs types, wild endangered species and hell creators, and at fault and found guilty, Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republican government of USA will provide needful help accordingly to be in the same page. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.